In this video, we will learn how to insert multiple charts to the canvas when working with Power BI Web Service. Step 1. Select the bar chart icon from the visualization pane, drag the icon to the report canvas. Step 2. Select country, then drag and drop country to Y-axis. Select sales, then drag and drop sales to X-axis. Move the bar graph aside and expand the visual by clicking at the edge and then dragging it. Click on Data Labels, Values and then increase the font size, make the text bold, and change the color to black. Step 3. Select the line chart icon from the visualization pane, drag the icon to the report canvas. Step 4. Select date then drag and drop date to X-axis. Select sales then drag and drop sales to Y-axis. Step 5. We will sort by date axis, and sort date data in ascending order. Clicking on one bar column in country will filter the sales and vice versa. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel The BI Nerd. And check out other 1-minute Power BI videos.